It's not designed like a traditional car.
Very low, very sporty.
So transparent.
Lightness, freshness.
New angles, new perspectives. The car demonstrates a big step into the future.
The vision of BMW.
This is the exciting look of EfficientDynamics.
This is a sports car of the future, the way BMW imagines it. It has a 3-cylinder engine in the back, and it has electric drive also on the rear axle as well as on the front axle. So with that, the vehicle can drive without any noise or without any emission. It can drive under electric power, and it can also drive under both the diesel engine power and the electric drive, and then it will perform like you would expect from a BMW. It will have an acceleration like an M3, for example.
This car drives up to 250 kilometers an hour by using 3.7 liter diesel per 100 kilometers. He has the possibility to drive this car for about 50 kilometers purely electric.
There are two flaps, a connection for power supply and a normal flap through which you can refuel.
The car can also recharge its battery with the internal combustion engine.
For the design, lightweight was important and aerodynamics was important, and those are two things that I believe you see very well on the vehicle.
This car expresses lightness. We stretch the proportions of the car, we make them passionate, we show that we're very passionate about dynamics, and we make it look light.
This lightness, these new angles, these new perspectives. A very distinct graphic, very simple, but still very dynamic.
It's a very radical concept, which will show that it is possible in the future to have a car that is fun to drive, expresses joy, and is very efficient, and as such, in terms of personal mobility, a sustainable answer.
With this product, we thought a lot about sustainability.
And we have in all the materials we have in this car actually a sustainable story behind it.
We used light materials, such as carbon, and simply cut down on brackets and other components.
The idea behind the interior was that we take everything out, we analyze it and have a look at what we can put back in to make the car in the future lighter with fewer elements, but without losing the emotional touch that is needed.
This car in particular demonstrates that we are planning to be a leader in sustainability, and this mostly by doing it the typical BMW way, namely with passion.